Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I want to give you a few updates and tell you about a few things concerning the class. So we had a meeting and I saw that the majority of you have a lot of finals that are coming up. And so because of that, I don't want to add to your frustration, or I want to help you as much as I can. So if you look at the assignment checklist, here I am on D2L. So if you look at the assignment checklist, we're now on Module 8, okay? And right here I have a reminder that, I have a reminder to upload your vaccination PowerPoint because that is due on October 2nd. But you'll also see that I have here the developing question sheet for the management or condition of either conservative or allopathic care for your musculoskeletal topic, and then the concept block and the search string. What I'm going to do is I am going to remove all of those. So you will not have that stuff due. The only thing that you will have due for Module 8 is this list of 4 scholarly sources in APA format. And this includes any websites and or sources already posted that you think you're using in your musculoskeletal research project. So I know the majority of you have completed your midterm, so if there were 2 sources there that you might want to use for your musculoskeletal research project, you already have those in APA format, you can list that, and that's fine. We also did sources in, I believe, in Module 3 and in Module 5. So you already have, you should already have a good amount of sources that you're using for your musculoskeletal topic, again, either for the conservative care or the allopathic or the philosophy and history, the treatment protocol. And I am taking away, like I said, the developing question sheet, the concept block, and the search string for Boolean, but you are still responsible for those things when it comes to the annotation. So when we actually, when you submit your big project, you're still responsible to have a question, a final question for the management, and a final concept block for management, and your search strings for management. I just thought that it would be nice if that was, 3 less things that you had to do while you're studying and getting ready for finals. If you want to do those, you can, and then you can email them to me, and I'm more than happy to look at them and look them over. But again, I see that a lot of you have an insane amount of finals, and so I was just trying to do my part. The other thing that I'm thinking about, and I will probably do, but I will let you know for sure next week, is extend some due dates and things like that for our final and final part 1 and final part 2. But I have to decide that. Again, we just had this meeting, and I saw all of the finals that you guys have, so I just want to help you guys out, and hopefully that will help you out, because we've done the developing question sheet and the concept block and the search string for those other areas. I'm hoping that you're pretty comfortable with it, you know how to do it, and so I figured, okay, well, we'll just remove that, but I still do want your list of 4 scholarly sources in APA format. And let me just show you where that is. When you go to Module 8, here we are, under presentations. I normally give a whole presentation or lecture about these, the Prezi, the Powtoon, the VoiceThread, and the Kaggle. Again, I want to limit things for you, so I'm not going to make this recording very, very long. If you have time, though, I highly suggest you look that over. Here, for the APA citation, it's a discussion. You should be very familiar with this. You just click on it, and you can do it in a Word document. Just make sure that you have your name and your musculoskeletal topic on that Word document, and then you can just upload it here, or if you want, you can just put it in the discussion. That's fine. Again, I just kind of want to make things a little easier for you during these next few weeks. If you have any questions or any problems, please don't hesitate to contact me. The other quick thing that I wanted to show you in Module 8, in case you haven't seen it, is that your vaccination PowerPoint needs to be up. Again, it's due by October 2nd. Many of you should be watching this today, which is 9:30, and as most of you know, and now all of you will know, your midterm is due by midnight. So I've gotten a number of you have emailed it back to me already, which is great, but there's still a good amount of you that have it out. So please get those to me by midnight this evening, and then I'm going to start correcting and seeing how things go. Again, if you have any problems, if you have any questions, email me and we can Zoom or we can email back and forth, whatever is easiest for you, okay? I hope you all stay well. Stay healthy, and together we'll get through these next few weeks, and then you know, once you go home, hopefully the stress level will come down a little bit. All right, thank you, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a good one.